Back here with another video, guys. This is Rod the Drawer. It's been a while since I made a video on this channel, but of course we getting back to it. 2023, we're going crazy. All that, guys. You see, we're in a new setting. This is my area, like my desk area. As you can see, the desk, like, you know, all that. I'm gonna show you everything, and I'm gonna also show you some new paintings that I have done that I haven't posted. I haven't, you know, recorded all that. But yeah, we're getting back to recording nice, cool videos for you guys. New bangers, 2023. I know I said that last year, but this year, I'm for real. I got busy last year, but this year, I'm not gonna forget about y'all. We're getting back to it. I'm also gonna show you like a little tour of this desk setup. So yeah, one side is gonna be like my art area, the other side is gonna be my desk area / gaming setup. And I have a gaming, like a rig, kinda. Yeah, I just have a lot going on over here. So yeah, I'll show you all that, and yeah, so let's get into it. So guys, we're gonna start right here at the games. Well, this is the PS3, PS4, and then PS5, and then this is my custom built PC. I have built this like 3 years ago, I'll say. And then I just have a dual monitor set up. They're both Sony. I mean, not Sony, Samsung monitors. Not nothing too extravagant. In here I have one of my paintings that I posted. I posted this painting actually on YouTube. You can go watch it right here. And I don't think I posted this one. No, I did not post this one on the channel. But yeah, it's very nice. It took a long time to do. But yeah, I enjoyed that painting. It was very fun and I like it a lot, so that's why it's hanging up. And I have a goals board right here. Don't try to read it, but sheesh, I have so much art to go through. And of course, you remember this. If you were OG, you remember this skateboard right here. Literally made that like 3 years ago. And down here at the gaming setup, we got all the games, cars, because I like cars, if you didn't know, guys. And we got games all the way to PS2. And sketchbooks down here lined up, and art portfolios, all that. And down here have a printer over here, and I have a Cricut over here. That's how I make certain things when I'm making my art, cause it just helps. So yeah, let me show you a drawing real quick. Give me a second. So guys, this painting right here is way back from when I was in high school. I think I was in 10th grade or 11th grade. Yeah, that's bringing back memories, cause like it's not where it all started, but it was pretty much there almost. Like, yeah, even though some panties, but yeah, I call it like the alien girl with her cat or whatever. But guys, I'm still getting this office together, because I'm just now getting here and placing my art pieces places, as you see. And I'm putting this right here on the wall over there. So let's do that real quick. Yes, sir. So guys, I'm gonna show you the painting. It looks like this. Yeah guys, this is going to conclude the video. I hope you liked this video. It's a little short video to let y'all know what's going on, cause it's new videos coming out soon, and we're gonna stay more consistent and yeah, keep y'all updated. So yeah, it's our little tour, well my little tour of like my new setup, like art setup slash gaming setup. I didn't go through the specs cause yeah, but yeah, you see everything of course. So but yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back for the next video. Peace. See you next time.